Good afternoon, Cache. I have a couple properties I want to show you in the Rosenberg Richmond area. It was three different properties. They all look nice. They were fairly new, and one previously owned. We had we started in the Rosenberg area, right in the city, and this is that bridge I was telling you across this little river. Then I headed into Richmond and seeing another neighborhood that was just past Kingdom Heights. Kingdom Heights just splits the difference between property one and the rest of the ones that I show you. 418 3rd Street. Let's look this up. What we got here is 1,245 square feet in the Rosenberg area. It's listed for 1,800 a month. So this one, you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck. It's right down the street from school. I believe it's the elementary. One thing that's nice, it's a very easy, nice floor plan. All the appliances in here are included according to the listing. First bedroom, decent size. I noticed that the closet, besides this closet right here, the closets in here were actually a decent size. So this is the first bedroom. You got like a little bench here, a desk, fold clothes, do schoolwork. The second bedroom also had a decent sized closet. Usually have like the smaller doors in these newer construction homes, but this uh is the first bathroom. So that's like your guest bathroom, and those two bedrooms will share. This is your master suite. So your master suite, this one comes with a nice sized closet also. And then we'll walk right into the master bathroom. I felt like I felt very clean when I walked into this house. Very, very clean, very modern. I think it's been rented twice so far. Maybe once for 1,600, once for 1,700, and then here we are. Now they have it listed for 1,800. Very cute backyard, plenty of space. You can put just about anything back here. Grading is sloped towards the fence, for runoff. So this area was pretty nice. Headed over to the second one. I just wanted to give you a shot of going through the neighborhood and give you a feel of what they look like. They have playgrounds. This is 6634 Elks Trace. And let's walk into this two-story home. So immediately you walk in and you greet by your stairs. You have your powder room on the first floor. And then we'll wait a minute before we go upstairs, but check out this vast living room, dining room combo. Lots of open lighting. The power was not on in this house, so I couldn't turn on the lights, but lots. This is just daylight coming in, which is nice. You got your granite countertops. You have your darker cabinets. Right through here is your garage. These are usually two-car garages. They're not the hugest as far as like opening doors while you're in there, but so they serve their purpose. Let's head upstairs. Texas homes first. When you come up, you usually have this landing area, which they'll call it the game room. If it's closed off, they'll call it a media room. And then immediate to the right, I believe this is the master suite. I didn't open up the shades, but plenty of light coming in here. Again, power, the lights are not turned on in here. It was also pretty hot. So come over to the right. This is your master closet. And then swing back around to your master bathroom. Okay. Everything in here looked pretty clean. Um, as we walk out, we'll see the other two bedrooms. These closets poke out into the room. Upstairs, laundry. As you can see, no washer and dryer. Here's your bathroom, another clean bathroom. And then, yep, laundry room off to the, and this is your last bedroom. So everything living wise is upstairs, entertainment's downstairs, but that's this floor plan. This is pretty typical. Let's head outside so I can give you now. Definitely big backyard, Texas size patio. It's not covered, but huge. I just want to show you us. I'm showing you me heading to the next property, and these are a typical neighborhood. Trees are not so mature, but they're brand new. 1210 Viaduct Corso Lane. Let's walk inside here. It's another one. I think the lights were off. Getting very hot in here. So this is your first bedroom. As soon as you walk in, look in, and then they share this bathroom. And then we'll head into that second bedroom. Again, three bedrooms, two full bathrooms in this place. So walking down this hallway, you'll get to the kitchen, another open concept kitchen, large island, uh, fridge included. I have to double check if there was a washer and dryer, but let's walk into the primary suite. A lot of light coming in from these big picture windows. This bathroom again, very clean. Immediately, you have your clothes commode, then double vanities, very convenient. This frameless shower is very neat. And then I'll show you the closet, very spacious closet. So this one is sitting at, how many square feet do we get on this one? I'll double check again. But let's check out the backyard. Building square feet, 1595 square feet. Not a lot of yard at all in the back, but just enough for a covered patio. The front was a little bit bigger. I was going to the last one, but I just wanted to show you the community pool for this neighborhood. So it had a community pool,